Hello, it's week 5 in the garden, and I'm really excited for today's tour. There are so many new things blooming and only a few casualties. Let's get started. So over here, flower bed 1, it's just blooming like crazy. Got our cosmos, zinnias in the middle. New addition to the center is baby's breath. And we've got some blooming sunflowers. They're so beautiful. They're getting pretty tall, but definitely taller in bedtime too. I let our two-headed sunflower go as it was dying. So I deadhead, as they call it, where you remove the dying flowers to let the plant put energy into the newer blooms. Basket's getting a bloom up in here. I think it's a zinnia. Over to bed 2, you can really see how high these sunflowers in the back are getting. They are ready for some bamboo stakes I got. Install those later this week. Cosmos. Zinnias in the middle. And I got this purple one. I don't remember what it's called though. And the sunflowers getting tall. These ones getting really tall. Over to our strawberry and dahlia bed. I actually got some ripening strawberries, which is exciting. I think I'm gonna get some straw to mulch and maybe those little strawberry risers to keep the strawberries off the dirt. And the dahlias are really starting to grow. Over here, I have a new little brick bed addition for some snapdragons and some extra flowers I hadn't planted yet. I think I'll probably do another one of these. This is the lettuce bed, kale. I really need to go through and take out a lot of stuff from this bed. There's a lot of lettuce that is done and I could take home. And there's some kale and cabbage I'm gonna move to other areas so they have more room to grow. This lettuce is definitely ready to come home. The romaines looking really good. This bed had the squash in it, and I took the squash out and I tried to transplant it, but it was too hot of a day and they died. So I moved all the extra zinnias I didn't have a space for into here. Some sunflowers. This basket has now got some new blooms. These only have the yellow, now it's got some orange. I think they're called cone flowers. This is where I tried to put the squash, but it was just way too hot and they died. So I had one that did survive because it was in a pot before. It had a better root system when planted, as well as these ornamental gourds. So I'm probably going to pile up some more soil in here and try to put some pumpkins in. Here's my tomato bed with lots of marigolds in the front. And I did a lot of pruning recently so that I could keep the bottoms really clear so that there's lots of airflow and less likely chance of getting diseases from the leaves being wet and sitting on the soil. Got blooms and very few of them are starting to make tomatoes. That one's already got a little split in it. And here are some, I believe these are the yellow pear tomatoes. Sunflower, purple basil, some calendula. Over to tomato bed 2, where we had our already more advanced tomato. This cherry tomato has got lots of green starting to have a few ripened. I was able to take one the other day and it was really sweet. Really, really good. Lots of blooms. Everything else is starting to get big. These are pepper. This is a pepper. I think it could be jalapeno. And that's getting quite expansive. Cilantro doing really nice. Lemon balm. Lemon verbena, lemon verbena. This is the tomatillo. I'm just staking up on the trellis for support. Here's our first green pepper. It's really cute. Getting really large. I could pick it whenever I'd like, I think, and have a lot of new ones starting to form. This is a pretty little addition. Yeah, garden's doing really great. I'm really excited about everything that's blooming and still always have more projects to add, but it's definitely the highlight of my day every time I get to come here. So thanks for checking it out.